Welcome back, fellow chainsaw enthusiasts, to our channel. In this video, we will unveil the top-rated chainsaw sharpeners that can significantly enhance your cutting performance. A properly sharpened chainsaw not only ensures efficiency and precision but also extends the lifespan of your tool. Whether you are a professional lumberjack or an occasional user, having the right chainsaw sharpener is essential. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oregon 410-120 Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. For a chainsaw sharpener that will deliver consistent results and keep your tool in top shape, you can't go wrong with the Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. While somewhat of an investment, this tool is worth it for anyone who regularly needs to tune up chainsaws, whether you're chopping wood for your own fireplace, clearing brush, or providing professional landscaping services. It can sharpen models from various popular brands and includes everything you need for the best results. This 120-volt chain grinder can be mounted to a workbench or wall, and it can sharpen a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch low profile, 0.325 inch, full profile 3/8 inch, and 0.404 inch pitch chains from all manufacturers, including Oregon, Steel, Husqvarna, and more. The unit has a grinder, dressing brick, quick-check grinding template, and 3 wheels. It has a built-in wheel wear indicator and even a light for better visibility while you work. While this chainsaw sharpener may be overkill for someone who only cuts wood a few times a year, the Oregon chainsaw sharpener is a worthwhile investment if you use your tool regularly. Number 2. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Electric chainsaw sharpeners make quick work of sharpening your chains, and this model from Sharp Pebble is an unbeatable value. The handheld electric chain sharpener can be used on any standard chain pitch, and it offers variable speeds, ranging from 8,000 to 33,000 revolutions per minute. The soft grip makes it easy to hold the tool comfortably so you can focus on maintaining precision. This chainsaw sharpener comes with 5/32-, 3/16-, and 7/32 inch sharpening stones that will deliver a smooth and sharp cutting edge, and the tool also includes a chain angle guide for accurate work. Once you get the hang of using this tool, you'll be able to sharpen your chainsaw in a matter of minutes without ever needing to remove the chain. The cord is 6 feet long, so you can work comfortably without feeling too tethered to the outlet. Number 3. Esdu 3-in-1 Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. While the least expensive chainsaw sharpeners are manual files, many people prefer the ease and speed of a manual tool. And the Esdu 3-in-1 Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit helps you quickly and accurately sharpen your chainsaw so you can get back to work as soon as possible. The kit includes 4 titanium-plated grinding wheels in sizes 5/32-, 3/16, and 7/32 inch. You get 2 of the 7/32 wheels, an angle guide attachment with clearly marked angles of 25-, 30-, and 35 degrees, and the corded tool itself, which weighs just 1.4 pounds. This sharpener boasts 6 speed settings, ranging from 10,000 RPM to a maximum of 35,000 RPM. It's ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and ease of use. After watching the instructional video on YouTube, you'll be able to sharpen your chainsaw in just a few minutes without needing to remove the chain or face any inconvenience. Number 4. Oregon 575-214 Handheld Chainsaw Chain Sharpener. The Oregon Sure Sharp Handheld Chainsaw Chain Sharpener is a convenient tool to keep in your truck or bring to job sites, as the portable unit includes both a 12-volt car adapter and battery clips, allowing you to sharpen your chainsaw just about anywhere. This electric unit can be used on a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch low profile, 0.325 inch, 3/8 inch, or 0.404 inch chains, and despite its small size, the sharpener's motor delivers a 25,000 RPM sharpening speed. This tool comes with 5/32 inch, 3/16 inch, and 7/32 inch sharpening stones, as well as a collet wrench, and it features a simple sharpening angle adjustment guide for accuracy. The product is lightweight and compact, so it won't take up much room in your toolkit, but the one downside is that it doesn't include a standard AC adapter. Its power cord is over 16 feet long, so you have plenty of maneuverability while you work. Number 5. Dremel 1453 Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. If you own a Dremel multi-tool, which is a rotary tool that can take a wide variety of attachments, then this handy chainsaw sharpening kit is a budget-wise addition to your toolkit. The Dremel Chainsaw Sharpening Kit includes 4 grinding stones in common sizes to fit various chainsaw blades, a sharpening angle guide attachment, an adjustment gauge, 2 spacers, a wrench, and full instructions. Using this attachment is a lot easier than filing the chainsaw blade with a manual file, but not nearly as expensive as owning a single-purpose sharpener that is only designed for this one task. When you use the appropriate grinding stone, you can quickly and easily bring your chain right back to its optimal sharpness, without a lot of fuss and bother, or a steep learning curve. The attachment works with most Dremel multi-tools, including the 3000 series, 4000 series, and 8000 series.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our products, as it will make your life much easier. Thank you for watching the video.